Okay, back to the action. So, last day of the month, busy dealership, massive truck, taking it off the showroom floor. Walls are made of glass. And I'm historically very poor at doing this. But with the F-150 Lightning, I can use the latest in technology to not cause thousands in property damage and psychiatric treatment. So here we go. We're gonna line her up here. We're also gonna use our mirrors because that's what responsible people do. Okay, pretty cool. Pretty cool. Of course, if I damage the car, you'll never know because we'll edit it out. But this is pretty cool. Oh. Aha.
Nice.
Which, of course, for tucking the mirror does alter the 360 view, but we're already through at this point, so we're gonna make it.
That was pretty cool.
And there we go. So, there we go. Not the easiest thing to do, made relatively easy in the Lightning. So now we're gonna buckle up because we always obey all the laws. We're law abiding. So,
Massachusetts is law abiding.